All right, boys and girls, welcome to Adventures with Big Daddy. Today's adventure list, I'm gonna go and take a ride in a World War II era warbird, the BT-13 Valiant, otherwise known as the Vulti Vibrator. Can't wait. So we're on our way to Marathon. That's where this thing has been living for a while. Found the gentleman, and he offered to take me up on a little ride. So I took him up on his offer. Let's see how that goes, shall we? Look at this pretty son of a gun. That's right. All right, boys and girls, we are about to eat here. Sal is priming everything, getting everything ready to rock and roll. We're about to take off on the BT. Marathon, Florida, that's right. One of them legacy rides. That bucket list stuff. See, boys and girls, on the other side. We're clear, getting ready to start.
What'd you think?
It did not disappoint in any way, shape, or form. I'm happy as hell, and, you know, life's good. It was an awesome flight.
Nice.
Everything I expected and more.
So, classic Warbird. I mean, that is some of the best fun that I've had in a long time. Ass in seat, rolling the old BT Vulti Vibrator, and my God, smooth flying. This is a great, smooth flying airplane. Sal said, here you go, we got off the damn ground, gave me the stick. He says, you're in charge, and didn't look back. It was awesome. The weather was great. The wind was good. The dang view over the ocean was awesome. Of course, you've seen the video. You'll probably agree with me. So, if you ever get a chance to go down to the Marathon Airport and get a ride in that old VT, or the VT, I'm sorry, not V, it's V Bravo, the Vulti Vibrator, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the cool guy shit. We'll keep having little adventures, and if you'd like, join in. See you guys out.